Hey there, speed demons and thrill seekers. Today we're diving into the exciting world of go-karting. But what exactly does go-karting mean? Let's break it down. Go-karting is a type of motorsport that involves racing small, open-wheeled vehicles called go-karts or karts. These nimble machines are designed for speed and agility, offering an adrenaline rush that's hard to beat. The term go-kart first appeared in the 1950s, coined by Duffy Livingston, who helped popularize these pint-sized races. But the real father of karting is Art Ingalls, who built the first go-kart in Southern California back in 1956. Now, what makes go-karting so special? For starters, it's incredibly accessible. Unlike other forms of motorsport that require deep pockets, go-karting is relatively affordable and open to just about anyone. Whether you're a kid or an adult, a beginner or a pro, there's a go-kart experience waiting for you. Go-karts come in all shapes and sizes. You've got your recreational karts, perfect for a fun day out at the track. These usually top out at around 15 miles per hour. Then there are the racing karts, which can reach mind-blowing speeds of over 160 miles per hour. Talk about a need for speed. One of the coolest things about go-karting is its versatility. You can race indoors or outdoors, on purpose-built tracks or even on ice. Each surface offers a unique challenge, keeping the sport fresh and exciting. But go-karting isn't just about having fun, although that's a big part of it. It's also a crucial stepping stone for aspiring racing drivers. Many of today's top Formula One stars, like Lewis Hamilton and Max Verstappen, cut their teeth on the go-kart circuit. Go-karting teaches vital skills like quick reflexes, precise car control, and split-second decision-making. It's like a high-speed chess match on wheels, where strategy and skill go hand in hand. So, whether you're looking for a fun weekend activity or dreaming of becoming the next racing superstar, go-karting has something for everyone. It's a sport that combines speed, skill, and pure adrenaline in a compact, accessible package. Remember, go-karting isn't just about crossing the finish line first. It's about the thrill of the race, the rush of competition, and the joy of pushing yourself to the limit. So why not give it a try? Who knows, you might just discover your new favorite hobby, or even your future career. That's all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow speed enthusiasts. Until next time, keep those engines revving and those wheels spinning.